Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a passkey on Roblox. If you want to add a passkey on Roblox, then first of all, launch open the Roblox application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Roblox, tap the More button at the bottom right corner. Inside the More menu, look for the Settings button and tap on it. Inside the Settings menu, go ahead and click on the Account Info button. From the Account Info section, click on Add Passkey under Login Methods. Now click the Continue button in the pop-up. Now, once you see this pop-up, go ahead and click on Continue and then use your Face ID or your biometrics available on your device. Once you do that, you will be able to create the passkey. Next time you log in, you can choose Passkey Login for faster and more secure access to Roblox. If you found this video helpful, consider liking, sharing and subscribing for more safe and updated tutorials. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.